Okay, guys, welcome if you're new and welcome back if you are true. So today we are going to do a recipe. This is purple cabbage. We have ingredients. We also have fresh ginger and we have blueberries. Now I got this recipe. I'll tell you guys where I got it from and I will insert it below or put it in the description box. And it's something that I wanted to try. This is an African American lady. She has, you know, she is a dietitian. She's a registered dietitian, and she talks about how this juice here can help with inflammation. And so, I know this one batch isn't going to do it, but definitely going to be trying it more. But I like the colors, of course. I love colors. So, got my juicer set up here, and sorry guys, this is just not the best filming this morning. I'm just a little under the weather, but I decided let me go ahead and do it anyway. So, yeah. This is what we have, the purple cabbage, once again, the Granny Smith apples, blueberries, and fresh ginger. So let's go ahead and get started. I do need to cut my ginger up more. If you've tried this, make sure that you leave a comment. Yeah, I'm just curious. Now I do not have a Nama J at all. I just have a regular juicer, and this juicer works very well. Actually, I had another one and mine broke. This is my daughter's. But yeah, I was surprised that I just never thought you can put purple cabbage. Well, let me take that back. I never thought to juice purple cabbage ever. Yeah, and it's just going in the juicer very well. As you notice in the beginning, seems like it was struggling, but just because cabbage is so much thicker, and it has to break down a little more, then of course it would make a little more noise than something or any other fruit or veggie. I think celery is like the same way, but as you can see here, I'm using I needed to press it down a little more. I put a little too much. I'm also going to be cutting up my cabbage just a little more. I did have some pieces that were a little bigger, so I decided to do the cabbage by itself, and then after I did the cabbage, I added in, I believe, the Granny Smith apples, and then the ginger, and then the blueberry, which you all will see. And I'm going to repeat myself, but yeah, I never thought to juice purple cabbage, so this is just a great combination. When I seen the video that she had put out, I thought, I'm going to Sprouts and I am going to be making this juice. Comment down below if you have made it, and I'm just going to continue let it play. Look at that beautiful, beautiful purple color. Apparently this is a great anti-inflammatory per Ask Debbie About Hair and Health. Like, she did a live video and I thought it was pretty cool. She took her time, she looked very friendly, and her information was very resourceful, honestly. Okay, so now that the purple cabbage part of it has finished going through the juicer, or now that the purple cabbage has finished going through the juicer, I think I may have added the ginger as well. So now we're just going to go ahead and do these green apples, add our blueberries. I am going to most likely probably fast forward the video a bit. She also talked about a HMA, which is a hair mineral analysis, and she said doing that, it can tell you like what you are deficient in. So I'm going to reach out to her in regards to that and see if I can get a little more information. Yeah, because why not? Hopefully it's not crazy expensive, but it is something that I'm interested in. Anyway, so now that our juice is finished, we're gonna let it pour right in there. I used the strainer, but I decided not to strain anything. I wanted to actually enjoy everything of the juice, everything that had fallen in the strainer. I was like, you know what? Forget that. We are going to pour that in our jar and we are going to drink every bit of it. I even gave my grandson, he's almost 7 months, and yeah, he had some of this as well. My daughter tried it and she liked it. Yo, I'm just really in love with the color. Guys, the juices are done. I did end up doing a pear and a bell pepper because I had some bell pepper and pear that were going bad and I didn't want that to happen. So I said, let me just juice whatever's in the fridge. It's gonna go bad. So I went through the drawer and that's what I came up with. I also ended up juicing a red Russian kale. I picked up from the farmer's market. I've never tried it. And I used some green apple, a little bit of lemon, and yeah, that was pretty good as well. I just threw it in the freezer, so I have it for the next couple of days. But anyway, let's try it. I'm so excited about this. It's so purple. This is just a sticker that was on there from some other stuff, but anyway, it's so purple and beautiful. It's a bright purple, right? Oh my gosh. I would have never thought to juice cabbage and blueberries, never in a million years. But hey, let's see. I'm excited. Smells like green juice. Not bad. Tastes like green juice to me. Definitely not sweet. Sweet, but not sweet. Sweet the way I like it. Let's just say that. But it's pretty good. Yeah, let's have some more. I'll let it sit for a minute so it's kind of thick on the top. The fiber and everything. Yeah. So let's get some more. There's that ginger, those blueberries, the cabbage. Thumbs up for sure. Okay, so let's talk about the cleaning of the juicers. You all, I think this is the easiest part, honestly. The hardest part to me is going to get the stuff, cleaning it, and then cutting it up. Cleaning the juicer is the easiest. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. Yeah, this is the easiest part, especially because, you know, you have your dividers, the skin deposit where it needs to go, and then of course I just take it and throw it in the garbage unless someone has a garden to give it to them, but other than that I just trash it. The most easiest part. The hardest part would be just the little filter, but you know, you have your brush. My brush is pretty old, you can see it's pretty used, and this is pretty easy as well, but the hardest part of it all, so easy. Anyway, here's me drinking. I put some ice in my juice. I drank half of it, and then throughout the day, I drank it all. It was so good. And that's it, guys. See you guys in the next video. Bye.